Hey good people, welcome back to my channel. In this video I have been tagged to do this video. So I have been tagged by the absolutely stunning and beautiful mommy with expensive habits. If you have not seen her channel or checked her out, you need to. I am going to link her channel, of course, down below. But she has tagged me to do this video, which is the Louis Vuitton handbags that I fell in love with, love at first sight, dropped the mic, I ain't asking no questions, I don't need no more information, ain't nothing to talk about, with a problem, ain't no problem, give me my bag, okay? So, when she tagged me to do this video, you know, because I absolutely love her, I was like, you know, say no more. Like, say less. Like, let's do it, right? Hit the record. But, when I calmed down, okay, I asked myself, I said, ooh, self said, huh? I was like, how you going to do that? Because it's hard. Here's the thing with me, right? When I buy luxury items, especially handbags, I think about it, research it a lot, stalk it a lot. So, you know, because listen, I ain't got time to be falling in and out of love, okay? So I want to make sure that it's a bag that I want. Now, you know, sometimes, okay, there are some bags that steal your heart, It don't happen to me often, but it happened to me at least 5 times, okay? 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5th, okay? So, where did I get that from? Where? 1, 2, 3, 5th. Oh, Dave Chappelle. Okay, okay. Anyway, so in this video, I'm gonna share my 5 Louis Vuitton handbags that I do no research on. I ain't asked no questions. I just swiped the cord. Swiped them. So let's get into this video. My name is Rakita. For those who are new here, where luxury has no limits, and of course I would love if you go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can be my friend, and of course join my YouTube family. So in today's video, yeah, we're gonna go over, so I'm telling the truth. I'm telling the truth. These are the handbags that when I saw them, I asked no questions. Like, I ain't need no more details. Like, my CA didn't have to send a video. Like, ain't nothing to talk about, ma'am. Send me my bag and overnight it. Cause I'm the second thing. Okay, I was gonna say the first, but it gotta be cute first. Second thing I'm looking for is how much. Okay, how many coins am I giving you? But these are 5 bags. I ain't care. I ain't care. I really didn't. Like, unless it cost me one of my fur babies, I didn't care. Like, go ahead. And then one of them might have been up for trade. Okay, maybe not. But let's get into the first bag. Like, do I need to explain? Like, again, do I need to explain? This bag is absolutely beautiful. Beautiful, okay? So when I saw this bag, all right, I told my husband bought this one. But I told him, I said, sir, I don't need no variations. I don't need, like, this one right here. Like, don't even ask her no, like, right here. Like, matter of fact, give me your cord. I'll do it. You take it too long. Give me your cord. I love this. Like, the color is beautiful. So this is the Louis Vuitton OnTheGo PM from the poolside collection. Is this the only thing I got from the poolside collection? Yeah, I think this in a scarf. Anyway, the scarf was just because she was there. This is what I was after, okay? She is gorgeous. When I saw this bag, I had, besides jeans, okay, I didn't have nothing to match this bag. I didn't care. I didn't care how much it fit. I didn't care. I didn't care how the leather was durable, color. I didn't care. Okay? Give me my bag. And we'll figure all that out later. It's truth. You know, I pride myself saying I don't fall for the hype. Like, ain't nothing wrong Okay, ain't nothing wrong with a hype, but I typically don't fall for it. Like, if I like it, I like it. If I don't, I don't. If I want to get on the train, choo-choo. If I don't, pick me up at the next station. I don't care. If I like it and everybody else like it, great. If I like it and nobody else like it, great. However, like, damn jumping on the train. Okay, I was the conductor. Like, I'm driving. I wanted this bag. Now, I ain't gonna lie. Somebody said fanny pack to me before I saw this bag. I'm straight clowning. Like, I'm bringing jokes. Okay? All day, every day, I'm bringing jokes if I see you with a fanny pack on. However, ever since this bag, I ain't got nothing to say. I ain't got nothing to say. I don't even care if it's an ugly fanny pack. Okay? This bag has made me a believer in all fanny packs. Okay? Now, I know as we speak, okay, in this very moment, I'm probably getting cussed out because this is discontinued. Louis Vuitton does not make this particular fanny pack anymore. This is the original Monogram fanny pack with the vachetta leather. What'd I say? Leather. This is since been discontinued. What's this? Oh, child, got a mirror in here. Okay, anyway. I wish I got no money in here. Hold on, I'm finding treasures and stuff. Hold on, let me see. Cause I did just. All right, I'm sorry. This video is not a treasure hunt, Marquita. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, so I am a fan of fanny packs. I love this fanny pack. It is spacious. It is. When I say durable, no, I'm not gonna say durable because the vachetta leather obviously don't make it a carefree bag. However, I have been caught in a rain in this bag. Now, granted, it wasn't a tsunami, okay? But, you know, I had little sprinkles, and the vachetta leather is still, you know, upheld. It's not too spotted. So, I would say, you know, just a side note, right? If you ever get caught, now, listen, if you get caught in a tornado, don't say Rakita said, okay? Because I did not. If you get caught in a sprinkle, you know, like a sprinkle, and your bag is in the rain and you can't cover your vachetta, the best bet, what I found out for me, the trick is, let me say that. I found the trick for me is, like, don't pat it dry, don't try to wipe it dry, like, leave it alone. And just sit it down somewhere and let it just dry on its own, air dry. Don't try no tricks. Don't try to baby it. Just like, if it gets a little sprinkled, just sit it down, leave it alone. And then it'll come out. Cause I ain't gonna lie. The first time that happened to me, I was like, Lord. But I also was in a position where there's nothing I could do about it. And cause the rain snuck up on your girl. Okay? But listen, look. I ain't lying, look. Okay, look at the little handle got little sprinkles on it, but not too shabby. Anyway, love at first sight. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're like, ma'am, that's a Neverfull. No, listen, it is. I mean, it is. But it's the world tour Neverfull. It is not like the Aftermath world tour. You know, when they started getting creative and stuff and letting you pick stickers and stuff. No. This is the 2016, 17? 16? I think 16. 16, the very first one, okay? This is when picking stickers wasn't this was literally the first launch of the world tour. And I was minding my business. I remember I was minding my business, right? Because I had just purchased the Pochette Batiste. When I say just purchased, I remember it was like within weeks. I want to say 2 weeks, right? And I was minding my business, okay? And my essay sent me this picture. I didn't even know what it is. I really didn't. I didn't know what it is. But don't laugh. Don't laugh. But but she sent me a picture, and when I saw this pair sticker in this car, I didn't need to know nothing else. In the black leather. In my defense, in the black leather. Because at that time, black leather and Monogram wasn't a very regular thing like it is now. Okay? So, I ain't asked no questions. And you know what? In my defense, though, it was, you know, 2016. That's before all the price creases, you know, got ridiculous. Okay, so I thought it was going to be the price of a regular Neverfull. I was wrong. That was a whole lie. I was like, failed that test. I was wrong. But it wasn't too bad. At least it wasn't bad enough when I got it and saw my receipt. I didn't return it. But anyway, it was point is, okay, I fell in love from this bag from a single picture. I was not following this collection. I so I didn't see like the campaign. I didn't see, you know, Instagram. Like my essay literally interrupted me minding my business and sent me this one single shot of this side. And I told her to charge it. I know that wasn't a smart decision, but it worked out. My impulse decisions, I mean, can I say they're smart? Well, I mean, usually impulse decisions ain't. But listen, they work out, is what I'm saying, okay? Because this was another impulse decision. Now, I did see her on Instagram. I saw her on a gram, right? Or Louis, because I follow, obviously, right? I follow Louis Vuitton on a gram. And when I seen it, this colorway, oh, listen. Put that on pre-order, ma'am. Put that on pre-order. Look at this colorway, okay? And then the gold hardware. And then here's the thing. The extended zippers obviously are the bomb. But I didn't even notice it. Like, I'm telling you, when I say love at first sight, these bags, with the exception of the bum bag, because I saw that modeled, but with the exception of the bum bag, these are single shot purchases. Like, I didn't need a video of the inside. I don't need the back. I don't need the bottom. I'm telling you, this colorway, this soft caramel-like, but cream-like, but then Irish cream-like, but then maybe ivory, and then maybe a little hint of beige. Like, who knows? I don't, but I love it. Okay, listen. This bag, and then when I got it, as soft as this pebbled leather, I'm molesting it at this point. But listen, love at first sight. And I don't regret none of them. I don't. That's why I said, like, my impulse purchases, they be working out for you, girl. All my life, I had to fight. All my life, I remember. So I saw this bag. This bag was YouTube, Instagram famous, right? But here's the thing, it wasn't this bag. It was the Palm Spring mini, you know, like the mini backpack. Like everybody, like when I say everybody had that bag, everybody, their mama, their rich auntie, everybody had that bag. But I'm still not feeling it. I'm not really a mini bag, well, at least that mini bag girl. But anyway, didn't like the bag, but I liked how people styled it. I liked the concept, but I ain't want one. And then somebody told me that they make it in a bigger backpack. I was on a hunt. Not even love at first sight, because when I started asking my CA for that, for this bag, I didn't even ask her for a picture. I was just like, listen, I confirmed it, because you know, people saw it, right? I was like, listen, do they make that Palm Springs backpack, do they make it in a larger size? She was like, yeah. So she was like, she sent me the picture of the gym. I was like, oh, that's too big. She said, well, we have an MM size. Charge it. So I saw I've seen the mini, like I said, Instagram famous. She sent me a picture of the GM, but then when I texted her back, I was like, ah, that's a little big. She said the MM. She didn't even get the chance to send me the MM because I was like, charge it. Like, come on. Like, look at these cute looks. Like, come on. And then, when I say spacious, durable, like, love at first sight get you to do some impulse things. But I'm telling you, I be vibing it out. And I be right. Like, tell me when I'm wrong. Out of all 5 of these bags, tell me when I'm wrong. She ain't. Okay, good people, that is it. That is my 5 Louis Vuitton bags that I fell in love with at first sight. like I said, it was hard, but not really. Like, it was hard because I don't really do a lot of impulse purchases. But then when I went in my closet, looked at the bag, and then kind of remembered the story, the history behind the purchases, I was like, oh, okay, well, maybe I'm not as strategic as I thought I was. But thankfully, they all did work out. Let me know down below in the comments what bags that you have that are impulse purchases. But I am a true, you know, Louis Vuitton is my favorite fashion house, and I looked at other fashion house, you know, bags that I own, none of them, like none, okay, was impulse purchases. What else? So, I want to keep the party going. So I would like to tag my girl Bianca from Dr. My Curls to do her favorite impulse purchases. And it don't have to be luxury handbags. It could be whatever handbags, a period, that you didn't think about, you just went ahead and got. And I also want to tag my girl from My Life, My Journey. I had to make sure I got that right. But y'all, I talk about them all the time because them my boo things. They're my boo things. And then I also want to tag my girl Janice, okay, because my friend be dressing. Okay, my friend be dressing and her little accessories be on point. So I want to tag those three ladies to continue this video. And thank you, Mommy on a Budget, for tagging me. I will have all 4 of their channels linked down below. But that is it, good people. So of course, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications so you don't miss a video from me. And then follow me, keep up with me all day, every day, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, like to know it, even Pinterest. Yep, Pinterest is a thing. It is. I don't know if it is, but I'm on there. Okay, so follow me on all the above. Okay, everywhere is at Rakita's Closet, and I will see you beautiful people in the next one. Okay, bye.